IB chemistry students, today we're going to be performing the kinetics lab where we are analyzing hydrogen peroxide. And first thing we're going to do in this part of the video is the introductory activity to come up with the standardized concentration of the potassium permanganate, that's the purple stuff, in the burette. So I've already got the burette filled. As you can see up here, it's already filled and ready to go. And let's see, the volume of that, I know that's kind of hard to see, is right at, I'd say 6.0 milliliters is our starting volume. Okay, so then we've got that ready to go. So we're going to skip down to step 7 and measure out between 0.4 and 0.5 grams of the ferrous ammonium sulfate. So let's go do that right now in our balance. So let me zero that out. Whoa, okay, well we're already over that. Let me take some out. I didn't take much. I guess I could have used a smaller, weighing boat. Let's see how that is. Probably can still take some out. Yeah, let's take a little bit more out. We don't want to be titrating all day. Let's see how that is. Okay, so there's your mass of the ferrous ammonium sulfate, so 0.5062 grams. Put the lid on it. Sorry. And then let's go back over to our setup here. And let me plug you back in. So then we need to add 10 milliliters of sulfuric acid. And then, what do we need? So 10 milliliters of sulfuric acid and 10 milliliters of distilled water. Put back on this. And then we're going to add our 0.5 grams of potassium, ferrous ammonium sulfate. Get that all dissolved. Make sure you can see this okay. Yep. All right. All right, looks like it's pretty well dissolved. Let's see, we're all set right there. Okay, so now we are ready to titrate, and so let me see, let me get an idea how much well, here we go. I'm going to go pretty fast here in the beginning. Okay. Uh-oh, did I overshoot it? Oopsie. Let's see if it... Okay, I guess I was going a little too fast. It didn't slow down soon enough. That is definitely not a faint pink. It's not horrible, but... Okay, that's why we do multiple trials. Well, it is quieting down a little bit. So let's take a look at the reading on the burette. So we are at, where's the burette? Ah, there's the burette, sorry. So that's at, oh, I'd say 15.75, and now the purple stuff makes it a little challenging to read. Okay, so let's dump that one. And that's going to be our initial volume for this next titration. And let's do it all again. Sorry, forgot to bring you with me. So let's go back over here. Okay, so this time, for our second trial, our mass, oops, sorry, let me get the light off of that. There we go, 0.4434 grams. So that's our mass for our second trial. Okay, so let me hook you up. Don't want the battery dying on us. Okay, so now, same thing. 10 milliliters of sulfuric acid. Water. Oops, that's a little too much water. But it really doesn't matter that much. Okay. There we go. Put the lid on the sulfuric acid. All right. You see that okay? Okay, so that first trial took about 15 milliliters and we overshot it, so I'm going to slow down when we get around 10 milliliters this time. So hopefully we get a fainter pink solution. Looks like it's all dissolved. Okay, so again, I'll go pretty fast for about the first 10 milliliters, then we'll slow down. Of course, this one's a slightly lower mass too. Okay, so that was about, what was that, about 7 milliliters. We're at 9 right now. All right, making sure you can't really, sorry, the shot on this is kind of hard to see. You see more of the burette. Okay, Oh, well, that disappeared. Okay, we're getting close. We're at like 14 milliliters. Woohoo! Look at that. There we go. That is a nice faint pink. Oh yeah. I don't know how well the video. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, so there's our faint pink. We will stop there. I'm not going to add another drop. So the volume on that, let me find the burette. Here we go. Looks like I would say 29.3, 29.3. Okay, so just under 15 milliliters. All right, so I would say that is definitely a good one. So record your data and stay tuned for the guided inquiry. So that will do it for our introductory activity.